Welcome to Heriman classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the 8th standard English course book 1.3. Trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. And this is the third poem of the first unit. And we have already done two videos. One is the chit chat, means warming up activities, and one was explanation of the poem. The first one was warming up, and second one was explanation of the poem. And third, I will going to make a video, means third video, English, about English workshop. And in the English workshop here 6, 7, 8 activities are there, and I will solve 6 activities in this video, and I will show you, and I will tell you how to solve the activities, and I will show you. Trees are the kindest things I know. This is the third poem. And English workshop and activity 1, pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words: fun, begun, sun, no, grow, now, cow, above, sight, light, night, fly, sky, lullaby. Second activity I will go to and I will read. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. And in the spring, new buds of green, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. And when a moon floats on the sky, and wood to make our houses, and when evening changes into night. These are the possible answers, and these are the possible rhymes I have already read. And then third activity, the poet refers to trees as the kindest things from the poem. Pick out 5 facts which proves the kindest of trees towards others. Here I have written possible answers. Trees spreads a shade for sleepy cows. Second, the tree gives shelter to birds. The tree do not harm any things. The tree gives us fruits. The tree gives us wood to make houses. Then I will go to the fourth activity. Find words that describe the following. And these are the nouns and these are the adjectives. I read sleepy cows, and this second, green new birds, third, morning sun, fourth, drowsy lullaby, fifth, kindest trees. Then I will go to the fifth. Pick out lines that mean the following. Trees provide shelter for animals. They spread shade for sleepy cows. Trees provide food for all. They give us fruit. Trees are most lovable. They do not harm anyone. Fourth one, kids love to listen to songs from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Trees live a simple life, means they simply grow, do not harm anything. Then I will go to the sixth question. Think and write in your own words. And question number 1, what living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Animals, humans, insects, birds, aquatic animals. And I have written here living things that can cause harm to one another are animals, humans, elements of nature, insects, aquatic animals. And then second question I will read. Why are trees called harmless? Trees are called harmless because they do not harm anything. They help other living things in all the ways. Third question, Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? I will return the answer. I will read. Halloween is celebrated during pre-fall season. This marks the end of the harvest season and beginning of winter. They burn leaves because people believe when bonfire or lit their flames and smoke have protective and cleaning powers and are also used for divination. And fourth one, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? And I have written answer. The part of the day when sun sets down, which is the beginning of the night, is referred to in the line. Leaves or the ones which hold the first rays of light and also the last ray of light from the sun. Question number 7. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. Write in your notebook and translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English. And you can take any poems in your mother tongue. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಮರಗಳ ಗಿಡಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕವಿತೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಭಾಷಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then next question number 8. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make a space for another construction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬನಿಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀದ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದಿದೆ. ಅದು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಯದ ಅಭಾವದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Then next I will make another video to clarifying to answering those 2 questions. Okay, and here I will stop. And then if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.